后来，这个美国的国会由两党所协商的预算案，准总统川普反对。这个马斯克伫社群媒体写将近100篇的文章，甲议员施加压力，结果预算无过关。国会真不满，批评这个马斯克干净，讲伊用要变做马斯克总统咯。川普替伊讲话哦，讲马斯克执行长绝对袂变做马斯克总统，伊个学了马斯克做了真好。
美国国会最近为了临时预算案头壳摸咧烧，因为两党协商出来临时预算案，和后任的总统川普反对。领导政府效率部的马斯克搁伫 X 平台发表几百条，看起来敢若对，抑过唔对这个文章的施压，和这个两党国会议员真生气。议员质疑法案中包括限制甲审查美国对中国投资的条款，所以讲和马斯克反对。后来众议院议长强生赶紧推出新的版本，搁删除限制美国对中国投资 条款，最后伫2月半暝，美国政府要关门的时阵，参众两院通过临时预算案，和美国政府会当维持运作。此后，民主党的议员甲社会公论伫批评，质问马斯克凭什么反对两党协商出来预算版本？质疑马斯克敢讲是幕后的总统。
President Musk.
President Musk.
President Musk.
President Musk.
President Musk.
President Musk.
Musk is not really President Musk yet. In a few weeks, he will be. Donald Trump is not in charge here. He is following the lead of his biggest donor.
川普伫亚利桑那出面替马斯克讲话。
And no, he's not taking the presidency. I like having smart people. The new one is President Trump has ceded the presidency to Elon Musk. No, no, that's not happening. But Elon's done an amazing job. Isn't it nice to have smart people that we can rely on? Right? Don't we want that? He's done a great job. But no, he's not going to be president, that I can tell you. And I'm safe. You know why? He can't be. He wasn't born in this country.
依照美国宪法。 出世伫南非的马斯克袂当做美国总统，川普希望美国人唔当互人乌白看。目前国会只通过临时预算案，也毋过川普就职的100日内，国会将会表决联邦的预算案。马斯克若果插手，马斯克总统这款讲法恐惊会阁出现。
你好，我是宋彦明。想掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶紧订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。